Guys, the day is finally here. We are about to start the coilover installation for the R32. I ended up going with BC Racing. If you guys know, I have those on the Evo and they ride pretty nice. So I ended up going with the BC Racing coilovers for the R32. So hopefully they sent me the right ones, because I already noticed on the picture the top hat on the front have 3 bolts and this one only has 2 bolts. Hopefully the internet is wrong and these actually have 2 bolts on the top. All right guys, so here we have the coilovers, and yes, they actually have 2 bolts at the top. I was a little scared because online it does show that it has 3 bolts. I don't know if that's the exact picture for the coilovers, which is kind of weird because you would expect for it to have the correct picture when they're trying to sell you something. But anyways, yeah, these things are gonna look so nice on the R32 and feel great too. I know they're gonna ride super great. So yeah, let me take these out and show you guys the coilovers. They do come with their own little adjustment tool to lower them or raise them if I need to. But yeah, I'm gonna start out with the front. Pretty simple, 2 bolts and maybe just 1 bolt at the bottom, and we should be good to go. So far the removal of the bolts has been fairly easy. Had to use this breaker bar, but these up here are even worse. Like, I think I'm literally gonna snap my tool just removing this. Yep. Who knows how long these coilovers have been on here. There we go. We got the old coilover off. We can see exactly what I had on the car, the Tane Type RA Racing. So you guys let me know in the comments if these are really good coilovers or they're not. But anyways, let's install the BC Racing ones. And just like that, coilover is on, and now I got the other side to do. Actually, I got the other 3 to do. But yeah, that was pretty easy. I'm gonna do a little time lapse and see how long it takes me to swap out this coilover. Kind of fun just to see how long it takes me. Guys, the car feels so much better. 100 times better. It feels like it can absorb like every little bump, and it feels good. It's been like a week since I've installed the coilovers, and I'm actually happy how the car is sitting. It's not too high and it's not too low. It's definitely lower than what it used to be when I first got the car. Yeah. So overall, I am super happy with the coilovers. Like I said in the beginning, I have them on the Evo and they ride super good, and I just had to go with BC again because you can't fail with BC. If the coilovers on the S2K ever go out, I'm going with BC. Some late night gas, just $20. That's all I can afford right now. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the install. It was super easy, actually easier than the Evo. The rear was super easy, the front were easy. It's just the rusty old bolts that who knows how long it has been since they've been off or on the car, and just a little bit of pain, but nothing you can't fix with a little bit of WD-40. And yeah, so they ride super good. I haven't really messed with the adjustments, so I'm pretty happy the way the car is right now. If I decide to switch it up later, I will, but for now it's just perfect out of the box. That's gonna be it for today's video, guys. I appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next video.